Happy Christmas Eve, everyone. This was kind of part of the reason I wanted to record 2 days early, because for Christmas Eve and for Christmas Day, I have decided not to film any of those days. Christmas Eve is spent with Ken's family, and then Christmas Day is spent with mine. And I just think that those days are very intimate, and I just want to keep them private. So I just decided not to record them. And by doing that, I started recording, obviously, Vlogmas 2 days ahead. So then I would be able to have vlogs still come out on the 24th and the 25th. So today, the video that you're watching is coming out on Christmas Eve. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful Christmas Eve, however you guys spend it. I am excited about spending Christmas Eve with Ken's family. This is the first year that we're going to be spending with them after we got married, so that's very exciting. But today for me, I am going to be laying out my outfit for Christmas Eve and then packing my PJs and my outfit for Christmas Day. Originally, yes, we were going to go in on Saturday to hang out with my sister and their family, but of course, with what happened with Bohannon, we decided that we didn't want to leave him for that long alone, and we also didn't want him to be locked up for that long. So we have decided just to go in for the 2 days. I talked to my sister. She's perfectly okay with it. We're still going to go and drop the gifts off for her children before we go to Ken's parents. But today is more of just a getting ready for the holiday weekend. But this morning, we have glazed cinnamon rolls. Now, I don't know what it's going to taste like with my chocolate chip creamer, but hey, we're just going to go with it. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it definitely has that glazed cinnamon roll taste. Amazing. Just a little update this morning. Bo is doing good. He is kind of getting back to normal. Still kind of stays in the bedroom, I think morely just to be away from his brother. But he's definitely doing things that he used to do, and we're very happy about it. I think that sometimes he's a little bit in pain, and that's due to the fact that the medicine that they first gave him has worn off. Of course, we do have medicine, pain medicine, to help him if it gets really bad, but we're hoping that he'll just keep getting better every single day, and, you know, we won't have to deal with this anymore. And this one right here is doing great. He at first noticed that something was wrong with his brother, and now I think he's noticing that his brother is getting better, but he was a little worried. But I am down here hanging out with him. I was reading this morning, just relaxing, and oh, cattail. But I just wanted to say, you know, happy Christmas Eve, guys. I can't believe it. Christmas is already here, which means we have a week left, and then we're into 2024, which I am here for. I'm here for, you know, being 30 and the new year. So this morning, I'm just going to relax for a little bit, and then I'm going to start getting everything ready for the weekend. Like yesterday, we wrapped all the presents, so those are all ready to go. And I pretty much just gotta, like I said, I'm going to lay out my clothes. Since we're leaving really early on Saturday, I want to just lay out the clothes so then they're already laid out and ready to go. Get my PJs, my outfit for Christmas all packed, and then I'll be ready to go for the weekend when we're ready to leave. So I'm going to enjoy this coffee, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. decided I'm only packing stuff in here. And I'm trying to decide if I need a packing cube. I might just use the one big one I have. So I think I'm going to put everything in here. And then, like I said, I just want to bring the backpack, so it would be just this bag and then my bathroom stuff, but I don't need to pack my bathroom stuff until right before we leave. I could probably pre-pack a few things and put it in the bathroom bag, but really realistically, anything else can just go the day before. So, in this basket right here, I have kind of put aside the things that I think I want to take. These hangers can go up here. So the one thing I know for sure I am taking is my PJs, my PJ set that I got from Target. I am definitely going to be taking those. And then I decided, don't I have another one? Let's do that. Since we're going for Christmas themed, I'm doing Christmas themed leggings because why not? So we'll do the Christmas themed leggings and we'll do the Christmas sweater. And then, yeah. So then, when we go to Ken's parents', I'm going to wear my black bodysuit. And it's going to be underneath my Christmas sweater that Ken got me for my birthday. And then I'm going to wear the matching Christmas themed pants. And these ones have little kittens on them. So that is actually I'm just going to set this out because this would just be set out for the morning we leave. Just because I feel like it, I'm going to bring my jogger suit just in case on the way back home, when we're driving back, I can just throw this on before we leave. And just like that, my bag is packed. So what I did is I just put the clothes I'm going to wear in the morning we're traveling there. That is my bag that's packed. I put it in there, so then all I have to do is grab it when I'm ready. And then I actually went into the bathroom and I put the stuff that I would be traveling with or need to bring in there. And then I put this on top. So really, all I have to do is grab my toothbrush, my toothpaste, and all of that. And then I think that's it, because the rest of the stuff is already packed in there. But as long as I have it packed away, then I don't have to worry about it. So then that will just go in the front of the backpack. So other than that, I still have to pack some cords and stuff, but that obviously, again, doesn't need to be packed up until the night before or the morning of, since we're not leaving till Sunday morning. So really, I could have had all tomorrow to do it, but I kind of just wanted to get it done today, so then I didn't have to worry about it tomorrow, trying to figure everything out. So I washed laundry yesterday, so I would have everything washed for today so I could pack it. And like I said, I'm not going to be taking I would usually like take my camera. I might take my little one just to get videos and pictures and stuff during the holiday. But other than that, I don't have to take my laptop because I'm not going to be editing or doing any of that stuff, so I don't have to worry about that. So there's a lot of stuff that I would usually take that I'm not going to take because I don't need to take it. That's my idea, is to take as less is better than more, and since we're only going to be in for 2 days, I don't need that much stuff. So obviously I might pack my Kindle, which doesn't take up space, or the Switch that really doesn't take up space either. And once those are packed, then that's pretty much it. So I knew it wasn't going to take me long to pack. Again, I just wanted to get it done. So then tomorrow I can just kind of relax, get the house kind of cleaned up and everything before we leave. And then I don't have to really worry about anything when we get home. So now you guys are just going to spend the rest of the day with me. I'm going to talk to Ken about dinner because I think I have like 3 different options we could do for dinner. Usually we do pizza Fridays, so we will see. He will be home in about an hour. I am right now watching a baking show, so I'm probably going to sit down and finish this season because I think there's probably 2 more episodes left. And then I will talk to you guys later on. Guys, so after I talked to you guys, after I packed my bags, Ken came home. I wanted to go to Walmart for a few things, mostly drinks for the weekend, and then after we did that, we had some dinner, and then I just pretty much sat on the couch and read the rest of the night. I did play the Switch for a little while until it died, scrolled on my phone, but mostly was just reading. And, you know, uneventful. Like, I don't really want to record me sitting around for hours reading. So I did record a little bit. But other than that, I'm like, you don't need to sit and have videos of me just sitting and reading. But the book so far, I think I'm almost halfway through, is getting really good. Very interesting. I'm kind of happy it's going the way it's going. I figured it would probably go the way it's going, but I'm excited just to see how the rest of the book is. And Ken just went upstairs to go to bed. I gave Bo the last of his medication. He was only supposed to take this bacteria medication for 5 days, twice a day, so I just gave him his last dosage, which I'm kind of happy I don't have to give it to him anymore because it was really hard getting him to stay still and put it in his mouth, and I swear half of it probably got on me or on the ground. But I am going to go upstairs and head to bed. This one right here is wanting me to go up and wants me to go lay down and pay attention to him, and that's what I'm going to do. So again, I just want to say I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas Eve. And I hope you got to spend it with your friends, your family, however you spend it. Like I said, I'll be spending it with my in-laws. First year being married, so my in-laws, I am so excited about it. And just looking to the future and seeing what it holds. We're hoping that it holds, you know, kids. Once we next year, we decided in January, February, we want to start trying. So we will see how that journey goes. And then Christmas Day, we're spending it with my family. So yes, baby. So we decided every year we will spend Christmas Eve with Ken's family and Christmas Day with my family. And that's just what we're going to do until we have kids. And then, you know, things might change. We might not travel so much. We're not sure what we're going to do, but of course, when the time comes, I'm sure you guys will know. So this one's crying, and I'm going to go. So good night, guys, and I will see you for the last day of Vlogmas tomorrow morning. Good night.